Welcome to the Sun and Aurora forecast. Solar activity is active with M-class flares occurring. Active region 4513 lies 4 degrees north and 63 degrees east of disk center. It covers 200 millionths of the solar disk and contains 12 sunspots. Its Macintosh class is EAC and its magnetic class is BGD. During the past day, it produced 4 C-class flares. Active region 4508 lies 9 degrees north and 56 degrees west of disk center. It covers 30 millionths of the solar disk and contains 2 sunspots. Its Macintosh class is HRX and its magnetic class is A. It produced no flares during the past day. Active region 4514 lies 10 degrees south and 62 degrees west of disk center. It covers 20 millionths of the solar disk and contains 4 sunspots. Its Macintosh class is CRO and its magnetic class is B. It produced no flares during the past day. Active region 4515 lies 8 degrees south and 71 degrees east of disk center. It covers 10 millionths of the solar disk and contains 1 sunspot. Its Macintosh class is HRX and its magnetic class is A. It produced no flares during the past day. There are 4 active regions visible on the solar disk. We count 19 individual sunspots, resulting in an estimated sunspot number of 59. The radio flux stands at 124 SFU. The current GOES X-ray level is M1.7. Over the last 24 hours, we recorded 18 C-class flares and 2 M-class flares, with no X-class events. The probability of an M-class flare today is 40%, while the chance for an X-class flare is 10%. And here is the strongest flare of the past 24 hours. We have footage of an M8.2 event seen by NASA SDO across its ultraviolet channels. Solar wind speed is measured at 514 kilometers per second with a density of 3 protons per cubic centimeter. The total magnetic field is 4 nanoteslas and the BZ component is 3 nanoteslas. The current planetary K-index is 1.67, while the highest value in the last 24 hours was 3.33. We forecast a maximum K-index of 4 in the hours ahead. Auroral power is currently 15 gigawatts in the northern hemisphere and 15 gigawatts in the southern hemisphere. For today, we expect a maximum K-index of 3.7 with a 40% chance of M-class flares and a 10% chance of X-class flares, with no geomagnetic storm expected. On Saturday, the forecast calls for a maximum K-index of 4, maintaining a 40% probability for M-class flares and 10% for X-class flares, with no storm level indicated. By Sunday, expectations shift to a maximum K-index of 3, with flare chances holding steady at 40% for M-class and 10% for X-class, and no geomagnetic storm predicted. NASA SDO AIA at 17.1 nanometers reveals bright coronal loops tracing magnetic fields in the Sun's upper atmosphere. At 30.4 nanometers, SDO AIA highlights prominences above the limb and long dark filaments crossing the solar disk. The 19.3 nanometer AIA view maps the hot corona, while darker areas can mark coronal holes with open magnetic fields. AIA at 13.1 nanometers is the Flare Watch channel, emphasizing extremely hot plasma in newly energized active regions. NASA SDO HMI shows the photosphere in visible light, where today's sunspot groups appear as dark structures across the solar disk. The HMI magnetogram maps opposite magnetic polarities, exposing the complex fields surrounding the active regions. SOHO LASCO C2 blocks the bright solar disk to reveal the inner corona and material moving away from the sun. The wider LASCO C3 view follows the outer corona and provides a broad watch for coronal mass ejections traveling into space. Tonight's Aurora forecast plays on a rotating night-side Earth. The real ovation probability oval glows over the map, and significant cities are marked with their Aurora chance and local time for each universal time hour. In the north, the oval should reach Iceland, southern Alaska, Hudson Bay, and northern Scandinavia, near 60 degrees north geomagnetic latitude. The strongest overnight window falls around 3/6 universal time. Now the same night over the southern hemisphere. In the south, the oval favors Antarctica and the Southern Ocean, with a low horizon chance from Tasmania or southern New Zealand near 60 degrees south geomagnetic latitude. Current hemispheric power reads north 15 gigawatts and south 15 gigawatts. The ovation oval peaks near 14% in the north and 17% in the south. The sun stands 1.012 astronomical units away today. Its light takes 8.4 minutes to reach us. Solar cycle 25 is declining from its maximum around August 2024. That is all from the sun today. Subscribe for your daily space weather briefing and for the weather on Mars.